Hi everyone. So welcome back to module 3 lesson 1 again, right? So today we're going to focus on the number format and how to reuse format. Now number format is generally a way to make it easier for you to use a specific format for a group or a range of cells. All right, so it is, for example, if you look at this one, all right, we want all of these to be in terms of money budget. All right, so we need to select it in such a way that it will show money, and maybe like all of these will be in terms of dates. Okay, so it could have all kinds of format. Now, typically this formatting is only for numbers, right? Because words and so on, the computer is not able to adjust to a specific format. All right. So looking at here, general, it will look like this. All right. It will be exactly as you have typed it. Okay. Generally, numbers is similar. All right. So if I select here and here, maybe with the text as well, I change this to numbers. Okay. Uh, Usually they will match with the decimal places. Okay, so decimal places can be adjusted even in the number. You can decrease it or you can increase it accordingly. Now if you notice that when I increase it too much, okay, uh, a row of hashtags will appear. So what you can do is you either expand this, okay, or you reduce the number of decimals. Either way will be fine. It does not mean that your data disappears, but rather it's just hidden. Okay, they are unable to display the data there. All right. Now, what if it's currency? Okay, if you select currency, so it will change to in terms of currency. Now, the currency here you can change according to your country's use of currency, or whatever currency that you prefer. Okay, I will show you how in a while, right? So accounting is similar to currency, but it becomes a little bit more organized. So you see the currency at the left end, whereas the numbers on the right end. Okay, what about short date? Okay, short date. Well, let me expand this further. Yes, short date for this part, it becomes too big, so it does not this signifies that the date or a time is too large to be shown, so therefore you cannot, even no matter how much you expand it, it would not be able to be seen. It doesn't matter. All right, so let's focus on this part. It will show the month, the year. Yeah, I think it's the month, and then the date, the month, and then the year. Right, so similarly for long dates, okay, you can do the same thing. Of course, all of this, the sequence of it can be changed as well. All right, for time is another one, so time will be changing in terms of time instead. Percentage, we can directly click it here, or you can go to here. Either way is fine. Now, the percentage, if this is a percentage, they will put it in terms of, they'll just multiply it by 100. Okay, so if you notice, the original is 905,000. Once I click percentage, it will be 900, hold on, 9,059, 500, so about 90 million percent. Okay, so it will change accordingly. So maybe what I can do is I can show you, like, if it's, I just put 1, right? So if I change this to percent, it will become 100%, as it should. All right, because if, like, let's say 50%, that will be half, so it will be 0.5 of whatever it is. All right, fraction is similar. Okay, of course the end there they'll put in terms of fraction. All right, and we also have scientific, which is shown here. Okay, they will just round it up further. Okay, put it in standard form, and finally there will be text. Now text is just treating it as a text. It does not it also will also disallow you from using it in terms of a number. Okay, notice all this while the text barely change. All right, the text barely change. I don't think any of it change. So yeah, so this is so all the number formatting will not affect the text. Okay, so this is for number formatting. There's also for copy format. Now, if you notice here, all right, we want to have this format to be pasted here to reuse the same format. Now, typically we will you will probably think that, oh no, would need to go and uh find back all the settings that I made for the previous one and redo it. Okay, no, we don't need to do that. What you can do, all right, you just select the whole thing. Okay, now in the home tab, the clipboard area, okay, there's a thing called format painter. So if you select it, and as long as all of it have the same frame, all right, when I select here, it will copy the format. Now notice it does not copy the uh, the data inside, all right, but what it copies is simply the format itself, so it is still the same. Okay, so let's say for example, if I just copy format for the top one, it will just be the top one is the same, and if I copy everything together, it will be everything else to match. Okay, so that will be all.